Rubber injection molding machine. Customer on-site production collection. 10 shoe sole production customers in Dongguan, China. Fully automatic injection machine TPU TPR. TASU 3 stations, 6 stations. The customer is producing the classic plum outsole. Automatic opening and closing. The mold the product is formed at one time. One person operates one machine. Simple and efficient, and doubles the production capacity. Mobile injection design. Automatic feeding device W-hitch is more convenient to operate. The whole machine adopts PLC computer control, which is more convenient to operate. The button adopts Schneider brand and is durable. TASU China Formosa Plastics TPU TPR automatic injection molding machine. Thank you for your support.